Mobile Mechanic in AtlantaGA.com.
Emergency roadside assistance service for Atlanta drivers? We've all been there. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. You're on I-285, maybe rushing to work or heading home, and suddenly your car breaks down. It's frustrating and inconvenient, but help is just one call away. At Mobile Mechanic in Atlanta, GA specialize auto car repair, reliable emergency roadside assistance, and pre-purchase used car buying inspection. Just dial 404-334-3777 and we'll get you back on the road. We're not just your average roadside assistance team. Our trained mechanics handle a wide range of emergencies. Flat tire changes. Don't worry, we've got it covered. Battery jump starts, boost or replacement, we're equipped to help. Lockout assistance. Everyone's locked their keys in the car. Fuel delivery, ran out of gas, we'll bring the pump to you. And for bigger issues, a mobile mechanic can't fix on the side of the road. Emergency towing services should be your best option. We know how important your time is, and that's why we prioritize quick response times. We'll get to you fast because no one likes waiting on the side of the road. Our goal is to make sure you feel safe and supported. Atlanta, Fulton, Cobb, Decatur, and Gwinnett County, Georgia, is a big, busy city, and you need a roadside service that knows
Mobile Mechanic
every
in
nook and cranny.
AtlantaGA.com.
That's us. Local mobile mechanic expertise availability, day or night, rain or shine, we're just a call away. Affordable pricing, upfront costs, no hidden fees. Skilled mechanics. We bring the shop to you. I was stranded in Buckhead with a flat tire on a rainy night. They arrived within 30 minutes. My car wouldn't start in the morning. They jump-started my battery and checked it for long-term issues. Lifesavers. Don't let car troubles ruin your day. Save our number now, 404-334-3777. Mobile Mechanic in Atlanta, GA is reliable, affordable, and always ready. Call us at 404-334-3777 today. Local Mobile Mechanic Automotive, keeping Atlanta, Fulton, Cobb, Decatur, and Gwinnett County, Georgia drivers safe.